Hi, I'm Luis Gomez, and we go to Roseville High School in Roseville, Michigan in the U.S., and this is our greenhouse project.
I'm Alexis Walgast. I'm in 11th grade, and being in robotics inspired me to join this project.
Hello, my name is Kumar Stokes. I'm president of Roseville High School Science Club, and this is our project. Automated gardening system for urbanized agriculture. Growing plants from seeds can be challenging, especially in Midwestern states like Michigan. This project creates the perfect autonomous environment for plants grown from seeds using multiple sensors technology, including retrieving data from the following sensors. Sensors include light, humidity, and soil moisture. Our head project engineer, Luis, is going to tell you about the project.
When first starting to make this project, I made a small design, like a small blueprint of how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to closely resemble a smaller scale greenhouse for a more urbanized setting. And I wanted it to be as advanced as possible using multiple sensors. And I also wanted it to replicate and simulate the water cycle, where it stores the water down here, and it'll use like a pump to simulate rainfall to best maximize plant growth. And I first 3D designed this using Onshape, and I 3D printed it. And while it was printing, I started with a bunch of electrical and wiring with like a bunch of sensors and testing with a special type of microcontroller called the Garduino 33 IoT, which has wireless connectivity where it can connect to Wi-Fi, and it can send data through a web browser called the Garduino Cloud webpage, and it sends a bunch of information. And with this small box that I made, it has a bunch of the stuff for the small version of the electrical with the Garduino 33 IoT and a bunch of sensors that I wanted to use. And now here are the components that we used. We have a soil moisture sensor for the soil moisture, and this is the Garduino 33 IoT with the wireless connectivity. And this is the temperature sensor. And these three components, this is the RGB LED, this is a potentiometer, and this is an LCD screen, which I'm planning to 3D model something like a mount for so that it's not just wireless. It also has like its own computer built in, so that you can also control it on here, and you don't have to like load it on your phone. And this is how the mount ended up looking, and how the LCD screen is gonna look with the potentiometer. And this is how the Garduino Cloud webpage looks, with all the readings and all the data and inputs that you can put in.
Due to the high levels of continued urbanization, this may be the solution for Midwestern agriculture.
And that's a wrap.